Hi there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicolette and I am a full-time mom and a part-time posher. I resell clothes on Poshmark, and today I had one of my fastest sales I think ever. Ironically, my very first sale on Poshmark was a pair of Louboutins, and I think those sold in about 30 minutes or maybe an hour. But these sold in less than 20 minutes. I don't know the exact time frame, but I know they for sure sold within 18 minutes of me posting them, because I finished listing the item at 3:30, and then I went to go share some of my items on my laptop and looked over and had an alert on my phone that the item that I had just listed had sold instantly at full price. And that was at $3.48. So within 18 minutes, which is pretty cool, I made $38 on Poshmark. So I had a pretty good idea these were going to sell. I didn't realize they would sell instantly, but I've listed this brand before and this is guaranteed that you're going to get a sale if you list this item. Basically didn't realize I was going to get an instant sale. It wasn't even an offer, it was just a sale. And I kind of winged it on the pricing, so I'll show you them now. They were Converse, and they're a little bit unique. You can't really see in this lighting, or maybe you can. They have a little sparkle to the canvas, so it's really pretty. And these were an 8.5. They're just a little snug on me, and I don't get as much use out of them as I did before I had a baby. I'm like a 9 now, so my feet grew half a size. They still fit, but not like they used to, basically. So I wasn't really wearing them. And I did pretty much get like a lot of use out of them, but they still look, Converse hold up pretty well, especially in the sole area. They're still in like really good condition. So I looked and saw what the sparkly canvas are going for new at tags right now. It's about $75. So I said original price was $75, even though I have no idea what these original price were, but they were probably in the $70 to $80 range, just because of the canvas was a little bit more of like a special, unique, the shimmering canvas. And I did not pay full price for these. I believe these were purchased on Nordstrom Rack. I'm not 100% on that because I purchased them probably like 5 years ago, but I remember paying in the 40s for them. So I got them already on as a good price for myself, and I got some good use out of them and just sold them for $38. So with the 20% Poshmark takes out, that ends up being $30.40. So basically I just made $30.40 in 20 minutes. So I haven't really been very active listing lately because of the holidays. I've been hovering around that 500 mark for a while. So I had a pair of Converse and a pair of Coach sneakers, and I listed those first and went to go share my closet. It had been 7 days, which is really bad for me since I had shared my closet. So I went to go share, and while I was sharing, I had that sale. So I'm going to ship them in the morning because it's almost 5 o'clock now. Probably one more item. So at least I'll feel good about, hitting that 3 new listing for the day and try to get back on the Posh bandwagon a little bit. That definitely motivated me to kind of reboot my Posh routine a little bit. I have been wanting to do that for a few days now. And yeah, so I just also wanted to add that right now is a great time if you've got something for Christmas that you're not too crazy about. It's a great time to go and list it on your closet. People are shopping right now, looking for those deals. So they're definitely heading over to Poshmark to see what you can find. I actually liked everything I got this year, so pretty much going to just kind of circle back to things that I have been stacking up for the last few months. During quarantine, I have been cleaning out a lot of my clothing, and I'm ready to go ahead and list them. I got a new backdrop, so that's kind of like this cute fuzzy blanket. For shoes and accessories, so I'm gonna go try to hit the shoes and accessories department closet because that seems to do really well. Happy poshing, and I hope you guys found some good tips in this video. Definitely Converse, Converse, Converse. Huge quick seller. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.